Hey guys, this is Michaela, and
This is Izzy.
this is addition lattice algorithm. The problem shows 3,567 plus 5,678. And basically how you do this problem is just like a regular addition problem, except you'll be adding straight down, and when you add anything extra, it won't be up on the top.
So, let's just first start adding 7 and 8. So, we know that 7 plus 8 is 15. So, you will just go straight down by adding your 1 and your 5. And then you just keep going straight down. You don't carry your 10 to the next set of numbers. So, 7 and 6 equals 13. So you put your 1 in the tens place and your 3 in your ones place. Moving on, you go from 5 to 6, which is 11. So you put 11 in your two little triangles. And then with your 5 and 3, it equals 8. So you'll put your 8 in your ones, but there's no tens. So we will just put a 0 straight down. And now moving on to adding. This is the part where you first will add, you'll be adding your 0 at the bottom, but it doesn't really exist in this problem. And you'll be adding your 5 to the bottom.
And then from there, you'll be adding diagonally, so you'll add 1 plus 3, and then put that down there, which would be 4. And then you move to the next place, 1 plus 1, which would be 2. And then the next place, 8 plus 1 would be 9. And then your answer is 9,245.